In today's video, I will walk you through how to add slide in PowerPoint. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click New Slide to add a new slide to your presentation. If needed, choose a layout such as title slide or title and content from the available options. You can also add a slide using a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl M on your keyboard, and a new slide will be added immediately. Another way is using the slide panel on the left side. Right-click on any existing slide in that panel. From the menu, select New Slide. A new slide will appear in your presentation. If you want to copy an existing slide, right-click the slide you want to duplicate in the left panel. Then click Duplicate Slide. This will create an exact copy of the selected slide. You can repeat any of these methods to add more slides depending on what you need. Using the Home tab, keyboard shortcut, right-click method, or duplicate option, all allow you to add slides quickly. Choose the method that works best for you while building your presentation. That's how you add slides in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching the video.